Welcome back to Braziere Brits. My name is Lawrence.
And I'm Natalie.
And I'm about to do a reveal because you're about to see us like you have never seen us before. Then we're going to roll the intro and we're going to tell you that we're doing something way out of our comfort zone. Ready?
It really makes me wonder.
So we're here in Keeneland. This is our friend Chad. You were a subscriber for us. We've met Chad a few times over the years, but he has arranged for us to go to the Keeneland racing. Not just that, but in a VIP box.
There we go.
No. Man, Chad's on this already. He's like circling stuff and calculating and doing some math and things like that. What are you doing? Are you just looking at the names?
Well, looking at the names, and I don't really care for any name jumping out at me. Okay, so in his lifetime, he's won 3 races, all 3, obviously this year. So all these are going to show the history of this year's. You can see 2003, what the horse has done. Most of them only have 1 race. So for this race, more than likely, you know, you have a lot of unknowns, but you have 1 horse who's going to be the favorite that has won 3 races rather this year. So he's won 2 and he's placed twice or showed twice. So he's won 2 races. He showed once.
So what I'm getting here, Chad, is your tactic for betting is if the horse has a shit before it races.
Most definitely. That's right. That's one plus.
So this is actually the Braziere Brits production studio. We take this around everywhere we go. They wanted to do some commentating, so we've just lent it to them for a while because we're going to go up and have some cocktails in the box. So yeah, hopefully we'll come back here later, but I don't think we really need it. You know, we're okay. They can use it, these amateurs. All right, Natalie, I got this. I've never betted on horses before in my life. But yeah, so Radio Liberty is a 4-to-1 odds, highest odds. Not a great return, but he's going to win. So don't bet on someone who isn't going to win, no matter what the odds. He has the best jockey, which he has a 20% win rate out of everyone there. And then, not only that, but he has the best trainer with a 29% win rate. It's a no-brainer, right? I don't know why people say this is so hard. Chad's going through all this stuff about pooping.
Wearing orange silk.
Yeah, and he's wearing orange silk, so it's Braziere Brits colour, as is Chad. But Chad's going on about all this stuff like, oh, make sure they poop, and do they walk properly?
Yeah, they're going to be lighter on their feet.
Do they look you in the eye and stuff?
And have to go to the bathroom.
I'm going to nail this.
Not going to run as fast.
I might just put our house on this. Should I just put our house on it? It's a guaranteed return. Guaranteed. Around. This is a sure thing, Natalie. Sure thing. Sure thing. They're coming. They're coming. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. I think we're second. Are we second?
Well, if you bet like me, it was the orange. We lost.
Oh, I just lost.
The orange.
That was a sure thing, though. This is stupid. So this is where they walk them. So before each race, we're late, so they're not here, but they will walk them out from the track. They'll walk them around here so you can see if they poop. That's what you're looking for, right?
They do out here. They can poop anywhere. But, you know, this is where you would see it happen.
Okay, and so you
become
can
lighter, faster.
And this is like you're saying, get the eye contact. You know.
Exactly.
All right.
It's what you do.
Because my tactic of looking at the metrics doesn't work because we've lost everything. So
then you go for the grey horse.
Okay, so next race we're coming out here. I'm looking for pooping and eye contact.
There you go. Let's get it.
Okay, winner.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
All right, I've given up. So Natalie has gone out and she has bet. So there's 3 ways to bet. Like I know most of the people watching this know how this works. I've never been to horse racing before. So what is there? There's a win, place and show. So win, we put $2 on a win for Good Heart.
Yeah.
It's got really good odds. So if we win, we get a bunch of money. Then we put $2 on a place, which is first or second. We win less money, but still probability of winning. And then we put $2 on a show, which is first, second, or third. So if we get first, second, or third, then we win money. Natalie's choice, the horse is Good Heart. So we just stood here where the horses are, and the nice guy over there I was talking to him, and for new horses who have never been here before, or for young horses like below 2 years old, they walk them around here to get used to the crowds.
That makes sense. That's good. Socialization.
Yeah, it's good. It's like, yeah, same as dogs, right? So, you know, it's really good for them. So you could see that horse there was stuttering a little bit, but just because he's not used to the crowds and the attention. So it's a good idea.
Very good.
All right, we're down in the place where we should be, which is for the other people.
It's like, it feels like I'm on the Titanic, where we're up with all the nice hoity-toity people, and as we come further down, it's like people just wearing flannel
Shorts and
shirts
flip-flops and stuff. I feel much more comfortable down here, I'm not going to lie.
I don't feel comfortable in this dress down here.
Well, that's true. We haven't worn a dress for like 5 years since we got married.
8 years.
It's like false advertising, Natalie. That's like saying I'm going to wear a dress and then never wearing it again. We've got a VIP box, but we choose to be down here in the sunshine, sweating our asses off because it's very hot. So the next race is about to start. We messed up our bet, so we're only doing a show. So we need a first, second, or third. We put $2 on it, so we have probably going to win $2.25.
I don't know. I feel like I booked someone that was like 20 to 1, so we might really cash out
the
on
one
this.
we wanted to bet on just didn't show, right?
No, there was scratch.
So we're 4 to 1.
We're scratched. It was scratched. I don't know what that means.
What does scratched mean? We don't know.
They
They
don't
could
get
show
to
me the
play.
last ticket and then scratch me.
Yeah. So we had to at the last minute
See,
change to
it says
something else.
Screw. 13, 14, 15, 16.
Okay. So our horse that we originally wanted isn't racing, so we changed it to some random.
Yeah.
Did you just randomly pick us?
Yes.
So if we win, that's a new tactic. Otherwise, we're going to switch to Chad's tactic of poop and eye contact.
Did we win?
It doesn't sound like my guy.
We have no idea. We were winning for a while,
We were winning for a while.
and I have no idea what just happened. We came second. No. No. No, we're 8.
No,
We're 8.
we're not.
We're 8.
How did that happen?
I don't know. We were first.
We were first.
We were about to make like 45 cents on that, Natalie.
It's right there.
Chad,
Yes.
I appreciate you bringing us here, but this is the worst day of my life, so thanks for that.
I'm sorry.
And it makes it even worse that you just
I
won.
have a winning ticket.
You have a winning ticket. What did you win? Like,
I'm about to go find out. Probably, I'm hoping to get my money back.
yeah, for the whole day, because you just lost a whole bunch as well.
Well, it won't be a lot.
This is weird.
But
So,
if it's $10, it's $10.
how did you choose that? How did you choose that horse? Because we didn't see it, so it didn't poop, and there was no eye contact.
Yeah, it rhymed. I said real man violin, and it happened to be like the second favorite horse. So,
All right,
that's
so
what I chose for it across the board.
okay, if you don't see them poop and you don't
We're gonna
get
go
eye
do that.
contact, just pick the name that rhymes.
Yeah, that works.
Okay, we're gonna. By the
Or
end of the day,
colour.
we're gonna nail this.
It was
Okay,
pink, but it
let's
was
go-
October.
Okay, right. Well,
Or see if there's
we don't
a
know who we're betting on race 8. None of them so far have looked at us.
I can't tell. And we're
Number
we're
3.
waiting for one of them to lighten themselves.
All right, Natalie got eye contact from number 3.
I didn't. I just like him.
Oh no, she just okay. Okay, we'll go for that tactic this time. Natalie likes number 3.
We like she just said behind me, number 8 is very prancy. When they're very prancy, they're ready to go. They're ready to go.
Oh,
Now
so
all
they're
we need
ramped
for her-
up.
Now if she takes a crap. I forgot, sorry, but
No, you're good.
if she takes a crap and becomes light on her feet, that could be a contender. It's a good thing.
Okay. Oh, Natalie's definite on this, Chad. She's gone for 3, so you're going for 8.
Does she pick a color? Let's say number 3. Maybe 3 is a good one. Wilma
4 to 1.
Mankiller.
4
That's
to
the
1.
one she picked.
Wilma Mankiller.
That's her.
Do you think this?
Everyone says better than Turkey.
Now I'm worried. That she went for the name. I'm worried for my safety. It sounds like a Hispanic rider. That's good. That's good. He looks small. He's light. I think we can do this. I think
Let's
you
go
got this now.
to our box seat.
We're going to the box.
so we can
Oh
watch
yeah,
it.
let's go to the box.
Not
to
with
watch.
the riff-raff.
Right, we should probably go and get another beer also.
Absolutely.
They used to have a little, like a lead horse that they talk about out here that you could feed sugar cubes to. His name was Sugar. Horse's name was Sugar, honestly. Right off the top of my head, 6 years ago, I can remember that. I can't.
I love he's just squeezed in off the top of my head. Chad just got in trouble again for not wearing his jacket. Next time you're out, okay? Yeah, next time you're out. So another important fact today, the one reason why we're betting is because this is all going to, not all going to Make-A-Wish Foundation, but this is the Make-A-Wish Foundation Day.
Yeah.
Which is interesting because when we did Route 66, we went to Angel's barbershop, and Angel's brother was the inspiration to the guy who started the Make-A-Wish Foundation. So, real long story short, Angel's brother, he helped a guy who was at his lowest point in his life, and then that guy went on to start Make-A-Wish Foundation to help others.
Okay.
No, that's important. This is a really cool. It's like at the sports field where the camera goes along. So smooth. I need to buy one. We need it for Braziere and Brits. This is the last stop on our 2023 RV season.
It is. Yeah.
So how about we go for safe trip home?
Aww, that's cute.
That's how you be romantic, gentlemen. So, they don't do the high noon peach up here, so the waitress Jill, not waitress, sorry, the bar lady Jill, she's made up a new drink for you, which is a peachy vodka drink, and I was talking to her and we've called it the Peach Vodka Jill.
Okay.
So that's a thing now.
Okay. Did you get the recipe?
Yes, I can't remember.
Okay, number 10. I think we should go for oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Because we're in the south.
Oh my god.
Can I pet that dog? Can I pet that dog?
So on that last race, we didn't even get in the top 3. We got 4th. It was so close. We're doing better every time.
Yeah, out of like 16 horses.
Yeah, out of 16 horses, that was good. We should get something. Chad, you should give us like $20 for that.
I bet mine first, second, or third. It came in last.
Oh, did it? Okay. Right, so Chad is no help. Chad ever invites you to the horse
I
racing.
just about said, you want me to go get the car and valet?
Don't take his advice. There's nothing to do with pooping and eye contact. Okay, Natalie, I've decided I'm going for, based on the metrics, I'm going for St. Benedict's Prep. Now, I don't know what the odds means. 12 to 1 means you win like 12 times what you bet. This is an 8 to 5. I don't know what that means. So,
no idea.
But St. Benedict's Prep is going to win.
Okay.
Your trainer's name is Chad down here.
Well, that's a bad sign straight. Thanks for that.
You're welcome.
Because you've been no help. And
I really haven't, Chad, and I apologize. I apologize.
The only Chad I know who's been helpful was changing lanes, Chad.
Yeah.
So far.
Yeah, he's been a help. But I apologize. I've had a great time. I'm glad you guys came out, though. Thanks for coming.
This is the last race of the day, you can tell, because we are the only people left here.
Is that it?
Everyone else is too drunk and broke to actually stay here. So we are horses 9 and 10. Natalie is, oh my god, which is number 9.
10.
Number 10. And I am St. Benedict's Prep, which is horse number 10. Natalie has gone from the name, literally that's our only choice, and I have gone for the metrics, so I looked at all the numbers. St. Benedict's Prep is the winner. So I mean, I'll show you the stuff and them running out and stuff like this, but it's a guaranteed win for me. We're going to win all our money back. Okay, our camera died. They're coming round. 9 or 10, 9 or 10. 10, that's me. 9 or 10. Come on!
Justify is still there. Justify from Gronkowski. He's just perfect. And now he's just immortal.
We finally did it!
Go!
Yay! It's a 9 and 10, look at that!
No, you can't.
Oh, I know, good
Fantastic. Good job for you.
for me! 21.86, look at us. We definitely didn't recoup our money that we've lost today, but never mind, it's all for a good cause.
There's that is. And there's your 21.
Thank you so much.
Be careful going home.
We will be. Thank you,
Talk
sir.
to you
Thank
soon.
you.
All right, guys.